The Bird Series banknotes were introduced in 1986 and showcase some of the most iconic birds found in Canada. Each banknote in the series features a different bird on the back, including the loon, Canada goose, and snowy owl. Not only are these banknotes visually stunning, but they also highlight the importance of conservation efforts to protect Canada's unique wildlife. The Bird Series banknotes have become collector's items. The Bird Series banknotes serve as a beautiful reminder of Canada's natural beauty and rich cultural heritage.